In the washing powder production workshop, it seems to see the familiar figure and smell the familiar smell. The advanced equipment flows with memories and present. Each movement of the automatic packaging machine endowes each product with a certain temperature. The modern technology is wrapped with countless stories, which will be passed to everyone through WHITECAT. Laundry liquid have become one of the commonly used washing products in our life. Here we see more mechanical power. Because WHITECAT has given the product more differentiation, each production will be more rigorous. The staff will repeatedly confirm the packaging of the product, the raw materials used, the batch of production, and even the standard of screwing cap. Every detail is a commitment in their hearts. After historical precipitation and market changes, WHITECAT has made many new product expansion on the basis of retaining the original products.